exhibiting, collecting, studying the works of 5,000 years of civilization.
We are caretakers of the art, but people can get very close to it and see the layers of painting, the brilliance of the colors, whereas in other places, you may not be able to get that close at all. For instance, like the Mona Lisa, you're like 10, 15 feet away. Here we are, inches away.
Locals feel a sense of belonging and ownership.
This is one of the most beloved areas of the Met. It's something that New Yorkers in particular feel very attached to. Historians argue that the cosmopolitanism, the tolerance of New York City really extends back to its Dutch roots.